Good morning from snowy Hanover, Pennsylvania. I'm back at Yesteryear Antique Center. It's been a while. Let's go in, warm up, and see what they got. All right, well, we made it to one of my favorite vendors of all time. I saw that little Sasha Brastoff ashtray last time I was here, but there was no price on it. Looks like it's $12 and 30% off, so I will be grabbing that. They always have such great stuff. Oh my gosh, look at that super weird little metal cat. Wait, it's a trinket box. That's so cute. Even though that's more contemporary, I have to look at that because it's just fun and whimsical. That's a really unusual jug. It looks like it's got almost a fish design on it. It's really neat. Early blue, unique pottery pitcher, very unusual design. That's what the tag says. They're not wrong. Definitely unique. Not sure how well the jug would do for me. Also looks kind of heavy. Let's see what else they have. It's been a while since I've been here, I feel like. The little cloisonne style crickets are neat too. Guess those are ornaments. Well, it looks like someone finally took home that insane Lundberg that was here. Good for them. That was a steal if it was for yourself. I mean, even as a reseller, there was like a little room, but man, that was so pretty. Good for them. Now, when I grabbed the little Sasha Brastoff, I failed to realize, look at these hat pins in here. They're a little close for me, and honestly, I'd have a hard time not keeping it. The celluloid, they're so pretty. Now, in here, I can't help but notice the little Bakelite Childs. Oh, those are so cute. $4 each and then 30% off. I don't sell a lot of the Bakelite flatware. Maybe I'll pick up more of it, especially since it seems to be priced so cheap. I like the child set. I was looking to see if it had design. I had one that had Scotties and one that had cats on it, but look at this. That's really pretty. German. Wow, that's nice. Porcelain in good condition, $12, 30% off. Oh, wow, look, it's got the dragonfly on it. That's fantastic. Well, for that price, that's definitely coming with me. Oh, no way. Look at this. There's a little 1960s troll giraffe. Now, that looks like a Japan version. There is like a, gosh, it's European. I can't remember. I want to say Austrian maybe, or German, that makes one that's like insanely expensive. And this guy is so cute. Guess he's playing the bass. Is it weird that I'm into this tiny Pottery Croc? The bowls are pretty neat too. They almost look Turkish. Yep, Turkish. They're more contemporary Turkish ones, but really cute. You know, I love the miniatures. I always appreciate this booth. I think it's so great. Look at the nurse's uniform and this little children's cape. So fantastic. What is that head back there? She's fantastic. Oh, look at the ceramic polka-dotted hen on nest. That's super fun. Reminds me of chicken pox. But then down here, look at this dog. Oh, I was like trying to avoid getting all the way down on the ground, but I cannot resist him. He is so fantastic. $5. Well, he's coming with me. Here's one of Shell Bell's booths. I like the little reindeer. 15. Hard to find those reindeer made in Japan with the 10% discount. That's a great deal for a collector. The prices for those things are kind of hit or miss with me right now. Plus, I'm kind of Christmased out. I love the little Cana. Some really nice carnival vases back there. I'm excited to see their other booths. They have a really fantastic booth they just opened up on the other side of the mall. That's a wicked rose bowl. Wow. Look, it's got the original sticker on it and everything. Oh, look at this little frog vase. That's fun. Bridget, California. Different. Well, for $7, I feel like we're gonna take that. That's a steal. It's really neat looking. And you guys know I'm not much of a big Jim Shore person. However, I can't resist this fabulous Jim Shore cat for $14. Really sweet little souvenir heart-shaped box. That's so cute. Wood heart. That's kind of nice. Getting ready for Valentine's Day, my favorite holiday. Valentine's Day stuff is kind of hard to find though. At least the old stuff. Oh my gosh, I love the mosaic Natty Bow guy. He's fantastic. This is different. It's a little faceted inkwell. That's really nice. $18.50 on that. What is this? Is this a cigarette case? It is. How fun is that? $4. I love the look of that. Roger slide. That's so fun. I feel like for $4, you can't go wrong. That's so retro. Some more super fun salt and pepper shakers. I like this set. I swear, I almost bought this ashtray at the DC Flea this past weekend. I think it's so fantastic. $28. Enamel over copper. Italian. It's $28 and 15% off. I think that's so great. I love this vendor's booth. So much great stuff. A lot of stuff I like. But, oh my gosh, look at that giant owl lamp with the mushrooms. That's so funky. You know, I love a good inflatable Santa. I have one that I bought on my last road trip to Ohio. I haven't had the heart to do anything with it yet. It's sitting in my window. This is so fantastic, the old Scotch tape tin. And then also some really nice jewelry boxes. Nice casket. And it's marked too. I don't think this one's gonna have the, ooh, it's got the lining. No way. Well, $13. That is gorgeous. I know the lining has some age, but it's antique. I kind of feel like I don't mind. That's so pretty. I'll take that for $13. This planter is so fun. McCoy. Really like the coloring and shape on that. Some great spaghetti poodles. Look like left in. Brins, excuse me. Similar look to them. Some really great Russian lacquered nesting dolls here. $10. Wow. Look at this though. This one's really unusual. What is this? $12. 2001. I think that is phenomenal. There's no discount because it's under 15, but I don't really mind. I think that's fantastic. I'm assuming it's just a jar. Let me open it up and see what it says. Single. Oh, it's a single. Oh, I don't know about that, but I just think the top is so fun. I guess it's actually $14. I'm on the fence about it. I think it's so fabulous. The top makes me feel like I don't really care that it's a single thing. I think it's so neat. Yeah, I think I'm gonna take that with me. And then this Santa back here, he's got a great face. He's just a single too, but he's so fabulous. Some really nice enamel over copper pieces, $4.50 on that. $7.50 on this one. That's a pretty bowl. I'll take both of these. What in the world is that photo? That's bizarre. It looks almost photoshopped. Now this is cool. What is going on here? Plastic carousel popcorn bowl. That is fantastic. That's really nice. The Fenton St. Patrick's Day themed. Some really great jewelry. And I love the little bisque dolls. I just had a few of those. She's got a bunch. Oh my gosh, look at this little push toy. That's so sweet. I like its weird little ears. I feel like I'm being taunted right now. I also feel like this case is not supposed to be open. It's usually not. And it's usually not 25% off. The last time I came here was 25% off and I considered it. But now it's like, it's open, so it's just kind of calling me. this Lundberg planet ornament. That is so beautiful. You know, I love the celestial stuff. Oh God, that's so cool. It would be $70. Well, I see something really wild. Check this out. $95, 20% off. Well, a little out of my range. That looks Italian. That is so fun. I've never seen it in that color combination. The picture's neat, but the jar is really where it's at. Whoa, check this one out. That's huge. That's a crazy flambe vase. $125 and 20% off. It's a nice one. I actually prefer the tiny ones. I still love this duck. He's so fantastic. I have one like that in my personal stash. Hey, it's Mighty Mouse. I feel like my friend probably has this. But I saw it. I saw Mighty Mouse. I even looked for Mighty Mouse at the DC Flea. I saw like one knockoff puzzle game, but Mighty Mouse is hard to find. All right, we made it to Shell Bell's other booth. Good grief. Look at that crazy amber one. I know I looked at it last time, but it's shockingly epic. And oh man, look at the birds, the Viking. They have all the craziest colors. So much good stuff in here. A couple really nice Murano paperweights, among other things. That one, the glass eye. The moon, oh my gosh, I love that. You know I love that. And then that one, FTM white spotted. That thing's so neat. On the right. Dude, look at this vase with the face on it. That's really unusual. 1960s Roger Collect Lady floor vase. God, I can barely move it. It weighs 1,000,000 pounds. I can't even pick it up. That thing is phenomenal. Now, also Russian is this carved one. That's really unusual. Well, I got a great box of stuff for under $100, and I'm gonna hit the road, and I'll see you guys tomorrow.